safe and healthy. I am Sharmishta Singh, Center Head of Beanstalk Preschool Karnal. Today is 5th of September and today is Teachers Day. So as you all know that we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September to commemorate the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was our second President of India and who believed that a teacher lays the foundation of a progressive, civilized society and their dedication should be recognized. So our teachers are heroes, your child's hero. In this pandemic situation, they faced all the challenges, managed all the odds, crossed all the limits and stood up with dignity and lot many hard work, reached all the parents and the kids in a better and inspiring way. So such inventive and imaginative teachers with their passionate dedication are essential for a school's success. We are really proud and blessed to have them. In this Teachers' Day, we shouldn't be thanking only our own paper teachers. We should be thanking anyone and everyone who have contributed in the making of who we are today. So, in this 5th of September 2020, I would like to take the opportunity to thank our remarkable parents for their outstanding support and immense generosity while stepping in the shoes of our teachers and teaching their kids at home. I will also like to thank my admin staff and my management for their continuous guidance and support. Happy Teachers' Day to you all and keep up this indomitable spirit. Thank you.
Hello viewers, I hope you're doing well. I am Mansi Grover, Relationship Manager of Beanstalk Sector 33. Today is a very special and important day. Today is Teachers' Day. On this day, students offer their respect to their teachers in recognition of their contribution in the field of education. Teacher is a philosopher, a friend, and a guide who instills confidence in young minds and gives them a hope to dream. Teachers are the backbone of the society and teaching is indeed a noble profession. This year also we will celebrate Teachers' Day but virtually with the help of the bridge of technology. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my greetings, best wishes and gratitude to our dedicated Beanstalk teachers. They say teachers are the child's second mother, but during this time, not just our teachers worked exceptionally well, but all the amazing parents who have become their child's second teacher. Their work is remarkable and appreciable. This wouldn't be possible without you all. So this year, Beanstalk not only dedicates this Teachers' Day to its teachers, but also to the amazing parents. Our teachers are strength, our parents are pride. Thank you to the entire Beanstalk family and happy Teachers' Day to all of you.